coordinates, yeah, with the x-axis and the y-axis coordinates, yeah.
Hi there and welcome to Kapow Learning, and today we're going to be looking at maths and, more importantly, coordinates. We're going to be looking at coordinates, so let's do this. We're going to be trying to find coordinates for finding Mr. Chris, Sir Roger Rose, Min Spectrogramma and Carlo. So let's try to do this. Right, here we have Mr. Chris. What are the coordinates of Mr. Chris? You can pause, then press play to see if you got it correct. I'm now going to show how to find the coordinates. So what we do first, we go along the x-axis all the way up to where Mr. Chris is, which is the 2. So we're going to go all the way up to him there. So that first number on the x-axis, that line going across, is a 2. So we're going to put a 2 on the left. And what we do next, we're now going to go to the left, which is the y-axis, and we go all the way to the left, and that is the number 7. So we put 2, 7. So the coordinates there for Mr. Chris is 2, 7. Here's Sir Roger Rose. Right, you can pause and then press play. What are the coordinates of Sir Roger Rose? Pause it and then press play to see if you got it correct. Right. What you should have done is you should have went across the x-axis and stopped where you get to see him, and there he is. So he is number 5. So we're going to put 5 on the left. So that's the first coordinate. And then we need to go all the way to the left to the y-axis, and it's a 4. So the coordinates there of Sir Roger Rose is 5, 4. Right, so there are the coordinates so far. We have Mr. Chris is 2, 7. We have Sir Roger Rose at 5, 4. We've got Min Spectrogramma now, and we've got Carlo. So let's try to find Min Spectrogramma, and he's there on the right. So we're going to go all the way across on the x-axis, and we're going to go all the way up when we see him. So you've guessed it, it's an 8. Okay, so it's 8, and what do we do next? We go all the way to the y-axis now, and that number is, you've guessed it, 8, 8. So the coordinates for Min Spectrogramma is 8, 8. Now, here we're going to be looking at Carlo. So you can pause and then press play. Try to work out the coordinates of Carlo. So let's do this. So we go along the x-axis and then we go up to him where he is. So that is number 1. So we put a 1 in the coordinates and we're going to go left to the y-axis, which is our 3. So the coordinates there of Carlo, you should have said, is 1, 3. So if we look at it, Mr. Chris, he is 2, 7. There you go. Sir Roger Rose, he is 5, 4. Min Spectrogramma is 8, 8. And Carlo is 1, 3. Okay, that was coordinates, and hopefully now you really understand. Thank you for watching Kapow Learning.
Coordinates, yeah, with the x-axis and the y-axis coordinates, yeah, with the x-axis. Check it out. Habba, habba, yeah, yeah. Habba, habba, yeah. Habba, habba, yeah, yeah.